Okay, now Ken's good luck.
Señores, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Amazon. Bienvenidos al Amazonas. Ahora nos vamos.
We're in the Amazon, Kens. We're in the Amazon now. This is the Amazon. We're in the Amazon River.
Bark of the trees, and they are looking always for
I've seen that kind of monkey before.
You guys hear what they sound like? That's what they sound like. Hey, listen.
Do you see these little things right here?
Yeah.
This is a spider right here. When I blow, you will see them all going, all walking, eh?
Yes.
You see them?
Oh, look at that. That's a lot of spiders living together.
Neotropical colonial spiders. All right.
Wow.
This is really soft. So big.
By the way,
Look at that big old tree. Okay, those birds, Kens.
That is a cool tree.
that is from the Russet back
The
Toropendola,
avatar tree.
and they always do that sound. And that's a person in action.
Yeah, but you be careful,
Hey, back up,
young
Dave,
man.
back up.
Oh my goodness.
That's okay. She'll be okay.
She's only got whiplash.
That is so cool.
Hey, you want to try it, bud?
This is like waking up to swinging in the jungle.
Did you wake up, Ken?
Whoa, Allie!
She's coming back.
Back up. There you go, sweetie.
Here goes Brooke.
Uno,
kinda
dos,
weird.
tres.
It's Mama.
Arriba. Esa es la Jenny.
Kid is crying.
Come back.
He wants his mama. Good job.
Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Hang on, here we go.
All right.
Good job.
There you go. Good times. Oh my gosh.
This is a soldier of the ants, yes. And imagine 3 times bigger than.
Just fixing my ponytail.
Did you like it?
Hey,
Okay.
it's only 4 o'clock and it's already getting dark. You hear those birds, Kens? A lot of birds, huh?
Also, I had a leaf in my mouth.
A leaf in your mouth?
Yeah.
What would you do with a leaf in your mouth?
Spit it out.
You silly. We were just out here in our hike and now look at it, it's raining. Kennedy, I dare you to run out there and run back.
Why?
And see if you get wet.
I don't want to get wet.
Okay, go ahead. Whoa, look at her. She got wet. Whoa, did you get wet?
No.
No?
We had to protect that.